Hi guys, welcome to IT networking. So how to download HP means 7920E download driver download. So open any browser. Firstly, how to download? Type model number, showing that first link. So right click to new tab. So guys, firstly choose your operating system. Operating system Windows, both are available. So select Windows and select Windows 10, 11, 32-bit, 64-bit, 88.1, same, all same method. Okay, then click to change. Scroll down. This setup to be required, okay, on internet required. If you install that setup, so if you have a proper internet, so you can download this one. Otherwise, install software and basic this. This is scanner doctor, means if you have a system printer issue, so detect in install and you can scan, so you clearly find out. This is software offline. Okay, and this is your printer firmware. So click to download. Now this is downloading. Okay, if you try to not install driver in your system, so you can go to uninstall and uninstall all HP drivers. Double click to open, then guys run. Now this is installing. Yes, continue. No. So guys, you have two options. Okay, wireless network and USB. So now getting your printer connect to using USB, one of the printer, and to laptop or desktop. Connect to square and to USB cable to the back of the printer and the plate of the cable right while the USB port your computer. Okay, when you connect the cables, automatically detect this. Okay, So very simple method. Okay, thank you. Any guys issues, so please comment, I will quickly respond.